Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best nail gel kit with UV light polygel on the market. The JEWHITENY 14 Colors Poly Extension Gel Nail Kit. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced nail artist looking for a complete, affordable set, this might just be the one for you. First up, let's see what's inside the box. The JEWHITENY kit comes packed with everything you need to start creating beautiful nail extensions right at home. You'll find 14 tubes of polygel in a wide range of shades including nude, pink, white, and brown. Each tube contains 15 milliliters of product. It also includes a 48W UV lamp for curing, dual nail forms in 10 sizes, a dual-ended brush and spatula tool, a base coat, a top coat, and various essential tools like nail files and buffers. It's a true all-in-one solution. Let's walk through how to apply these gels. Start by prepping your nails. Push back your cuticles, file the nail surface lightly, and clean the nail bed. Apply a thin layer of base coat and cure under the 48W lamp for 60 seconds. Then, choose a dual form that fits your nail, squeeze out a small amount of polygel onto the form, and use the brush dipped in slip solution to shape it. Once it's shaped, press it onto your natural nail and cure for about 1 to 2 minutes. After curing, remove the form, file to your desired shape, apply top coat, and cure once more. That's it. You've got a professional-looking nail. The results speak for themselves. The gel applies smoothly and the color payoff is rich and glossy. The lamp cures the gel evenly and effectively, which means fewer issues with tackiness or lifting. With proper prep and application, these nails can last over 4 weeks. The lightweight formula feels natural on the nails but still provides strong support, making it great for everyday wear. What stands out about JEWHITENY's polygel formula is its quality. It's made from non-toxic, cruelty-free ingredients and is designed to be gentle on the nails. The colors dry to a natural finish with a gorgeous shine, and they don't yellow or peel easily. It's beginner-friendly but delivers salon-level results, which is rare at this price point. To make the most of this kit, always remember to cure the gel fully. The 48W lamp is strong, but curing time depends on gel thickness. For removal, file down the gel and use a buffer to finish. All tools needed are included. And don't skip the prep step. It makes a huge difference in longevity. If you're new to polygel nails, this kit is forgiving and easy to learn with. If you're more advanced, you'll appreciate the variety of colors and the salon-grade tools. It's perfect for at-home manicures, practicing nail art, or even starting a small nail business. Overall, the JEWHITENY 14 Colors Poly Extension Gel Nail Kit offers unbeatable value. From the range of shades to the powerful UV lamp and all-in-one setup, it's designed to help anyone achieve flawless nails without a trip to the salon. For the price and what you get, it's honestly hard to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Got questions about this kit or want us to test another nail product? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, stay polished and creative.